having a lot of fun playing with my phone and this little mic that's connected on the bottom. This is the MicW i437L. It is a calibrated class 2 omnidirectional microphone that works with our iOS devices. It's small enough to fit into my pocket, and it's a great upgrade to our internal microphone and our devices. It's great for recording, real-time analysis, and other audio applications. So let's take a look at what we can do with this microphone. This lightning connection mic comes shipped in a small box with a tiny manual. The entire device is small but strong. It is made completely of metal and comes with a removable windscreen. When paired with an iOS device and a stand, this mic sits perfectly on top of the device for measuring your audio. Let's take a look at some of the ways that the mic can make measurements in the program. Before that, the mic needs to be calibrated first before being used. To calibrate the mic, you need a calibrator. Put on the mic into the calibrator. Connecting the mic is as simple as taking the one end and inserting it directly into the lightning port. It will automatically be recognized by your device. I have my i437L connected to an iOS device. I am using an application called Noise Lab Lite. It is perfectly for SPL metering because with a calibrated microphone, it will interfere perfectly with the device. At the bottom, I have our SPL history. At the top, we could select between different weightings. Right now, I am on A. I could switch between B, C, or Z. I also have the ability to select how quickly I want our meter to respond: fast, slow, or impulse. The audio tools, when used with a real-time analyzer, the i437L gives a much more accurate representation of what's going on in the room. You could see as I speak, my voice is being represented in this graph here. When my voice drops out, all we get is the ambient noise floor of the room. I've removed the i437L and you can see that a drastic difference we are getting in our readings compared to when we use the mic. Mic Audio Tools also offers a recorder. You can use the i437U with any iOS recorder, but in this case, I want to demonstrate to you how my voice, which is currently being picked up only by my iOS device internal mic. I'm going to show you how it differs from the mic. So at this point, I'm going to switch over to the MicW. You can see that the output of the mic is significantly higher, but hopefully you could also hear from the quality of my voice that there's a much clearer sound to my voice. And on top of that, there's a way greater frequency response that we are getting. The MicW i437L is a perfect companion to all different iOS apps. By using your lightning ports, you free up the headphone out for audio monitoring, and running test signals is the perfect companion for all of your audio testing needs.